Have you ever opened a new tab, all motivated to finally build your personal website, and then stared at a blank screen for 20 minutes? Yep. Me too. In this video, we're diving into how to use CodeDesign AI to build a personal portfolio website without writing a single line of code. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build your first website and actually get it online. If you're a freelancer, student, creative, or someone trying to get your work seen online, this one's for you. Let's get into it. What is CodeDesign AI and why should you care? So first up, what even is CodeDesign AI? It's a website builder, but not the kind where you're dragging blocks around for hours or clicking through dozens of templates that all feel the same. CodeDesign is powered by AI. That means you just tell it what you want in plain English and it builds a complete site for you. Layout, content, images, the whole thing. Let's say you're a graphic designer named Alex. You could type something like create a personal website for a graphic designer named Alex with the homepage, portfolio section, and contact form. And it'll generate all of that for you pre-built, pre-written, and ready to customize. This isn't just a tool for techie people or marketers. It's built for anyone who wants a decent looking website without having to learn how to code or hire someone to build it from scratch. So why should you care? Because if you've been putting off building your personal website, maybe it felt too technical, too time consuming, or just too much, this completely lowers the barrier to entry. You can get your name and your work online in less time than it takes to scroll through Instagram for 5 minutes. Why it's perfect for personal portfolios. Let's talk about why CodeDesign AI works so well for portfolio websites specifically. If you've ever tried to build a personal site using something like WordPress or Squarespace, you know how it goes. You pick a template, start editing it, and 3 hours later, you're still figuring out how to move a picture 2 inches to the left. Portfolio websites are supposed to be simple. You just want a home page with your name and what you do, an About Me section, a few examples of your work, and a way for people to contact you. That's it. That's the whole thing. But even simple sites can feel overwhelming to build when you're doing it from scratch. And that's where CodeDesign steps in. It understands what a basic personal portfolio should look like. And because it builds everything for you from a simple prompt, you don't have to mess around with picking the right layout or worrying about if it'll look good on mobile. So let's say you're a writer or a photographer or a junior web developer trying to land your first job. You don't need a fancy custom coded website. You just need something that looks clean, professional, and clearly shows who you are and what you do. That's exactly what CodeDesign gives you. A finished product that actually works and looks good without all the headache. Step by step, how to build a portfolio site in CodeDesign. Okay, now that you get the idea, let's walk through how to actually build a portfolio website using CodeDesign. From signing up to going live, here's how it works. Step 1, create your account. First things first, just click the link down in the description to go to this website here where you can go ahead and get started with CodeDesign AI. We're gonna hit the big generate website now button after we type in our prompt. The sign up process is super simple. Just enter your name, email, and a password, and there's no credit card required up front, which is always a good sign. So let's go ahead and do this now. It first wants us to fill this out. Is it saying, what is your brand name? What kind of business are you in? What kind of products or service do you offer? So we'll call this my, I'm gonna do this for myself as if I were a photographer. So my name is Eric. My business is Rick's Flicks, and I am a photographer specializing in nature, landscape, and outdoor product photography. Think REI, Patagonia, etc. I offer photography services. I want a clean, earthy tone vibe website. I am also based in Northern California. All right, and we'll go ahead and click on generate website now. Okay, so this is where we want to go ahead and sign up, and it's great. It says no credit card needed. So we'll go ahead and click on that, and we can go ahead and either continue with Google or continue with magic email link. So let's go ahead and do that, and I'll go ahead and paste in my email here, name Eric, and we'll go ahead and open up that email. Click on that. How do we want to use CodeDesign? So here we'll go for my portfolio showcase. We'll go ahead and click on that and click continue. Now we are inside here, so we can go ahead and get started. Sweet. So I went ahead and typed in that prompt, but it it didn't work because I had to sign up and everything. So let's go ahead and click on new project. And this is where we can go ahead and either start from blank, start from templates, build using AI, or build a funnel using AI. So I want to do this. I want to build using AI. So then I'm going to click on personal profile. So this will be my personal website to showcase my work or resume. It went ahead and copied over that prompt. So this is perfect. We'll go ahead and just keep it as is and click on continue. So step 2, give it a prompt like we just did. And this is the part that's kind of magical. You just type in a couple of sentences describing the website that you want. And the cool thing is the better your prompt, the better your site. You can include your name, profession, style, vibe, anything that you think matters. Okay, let's go ahead and finish this up here. And we'll go ahead and just click on create your website right here. And we'll go ahead and just let this do its thing. Okay, there we go. Now we can go ahead and see this website. And honestly, I am pretty floored. This is awesome. Capture Northern California's beauty with Rick's. Should be Rick's Flicks. That's okay. There was something there where, it said like business name and stuff and maybe just got that wrong. Should say Rick's Flicks, but either way, this is pretty good. Elevate your brand with stunning nature, landscape, and product photography that tells your story beautifully and authentically. Based in Northern California, I specialize in capturing the essence of nature for outdoor brands. Book now. We've got a home page and about, a service, projects, and contact. We scroll down here, about Rick's, stunning visual storytelling, outdoor product focus, Northern California base. We do nature photography, landscape, outdoor, and product lifestyle imagery. Recent project showcase, Yosemite Adventure, Redwood Majesty. This looks very much like the coast that I go to. This is amazing. I've used CodeDesign AI several times now, but this is the best result I've ever got. I've got even some client success stories down here from a couple Jane Does and John Smiths. It looks like I gave Jane Doe to a male there and John Smith to a female there, but whatever. And it looks like, the bottom's a little off to the side there, but all in all, this looks fantastic. Let's go ahead and check out some of the other pages. Let's click on the about. Okay, so it looks like we need to go ahead and mess with this a bit, but yeah, that's a really great start. Step 3, customize the site. Now, here's where you get to play around. Everything in the editor is clickable. You can change text just by clicking and typing. So if the AI wrote an about me section that says, I'm a passionate creative with years of experience, you can make that sound like you instead. Swap out the images for your real work, add screenshots of your apps or designs, rename them in the navigation menu if you want. Want to call it My Projects instead of Portfolio? Easy, just click and edit. The best part is that you're not limited to a rigid template. You can move sections up or down, delete stuff that you don't need, and add more content by either using the editor or prompting the AI again. And everything that you change shows up instantly in the preview, both desktop and mobile. There's no waiting around for it to reload or process like some other builders. Another thing we can do is come over here to the different theme colors. So we can go ahead and choose a different color layout. I think, honestly, some with these greens in here is what I was really going for. So you can also see how it looks like on tablet here as well as mobile, which is even tighter. And yeah, honestly, pretty stoked. Step 4, add more pages or sections. So maybe you want to start with a basic site, but later you realize you want a blog, or maybe you want a page just for testimonials or a downloadable resume. You don't have to build those pages manually. The AI will handle it. It'll match the style of your current site, fill in example content, and drop it right into your existing layout. It's honestly kind of fun to watch it come together. Step 5, publish your site. All right, you've built the site, you've made it yours. Now it's time to publish. You've got a couple of options here. If you don't want to deal with domain names or hosting, then CodeDesign will host your site for you. You'll get a link like yourname.codedesign.ai, which is fine if you're just getting started. But if you want to connect your own domain, like danielsdesigns.com or photobyemma.com, you can do that too. The platform walks you through how to connect your custom domain with just a few simple steps. And if you're more advanced or you want to move your site somewhere else later, you can even export the full site code. You'll get clean HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that you can upload to any hosting provider. Now here's some tips to get the most out of CodeDesign. First, be specific with your prompt. The more detail you can give it, the better the AI understands what you want. If you just say, make me a cool site, you'll probably get something bland. Might be cool, but could be bland. But if you describe your job, style, and what you want to include, you'll get something a lot more tailored. Second, don't leave the placeholder content as is. Rewrite your bio, add your actual work, and make the text sound like you. That personal touch goes a long way. And third, always preview your site on mobile. CodeDesign is responsive by default, but it's still a good idea to double check that everything looks clean and readable on a phone. Mistakes to avoid. Now, some other things to watch out for. One big mistake is just hitting publish without checking anything. Even though the AI builds your site quickly, it's still your job to make sure the content's right. Check spelling, replace dummy links, make sure your contact form works. Now, another mistake is trying to do too much. If you're just starting out, you don't need 10 pages and a blog and a mailing list. Just focus on the basics. Homepage, portfolio, contact. You can always expand later. And finally, don't be afraid to revise your site over time. Your work will grow. Your skills will improve. Your site should evolve with you. CodeDesign makes it easy to update things anytime. Final thoughts. Building a personal website used to be a huge project. You either had to learn how to code, deal with clunky editors, or spend money hiring someone else to do it. But tools like CodeDesign are changing that. You can literally go from idea to finished site in under an hour. No coding, no templates, no stress. So if you've been procrastinating on making your personal website, stop waiting. You can build something real today. Not perfect, not flashy, just real. And sometimes that's exactly what you need to stand out. And if you want to get started with CodeDesign AI, we've got that link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission if you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel, and they allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.